Hi, my name's Michelle from Harvey Bay. We chose to install ThermaDoor insulation in our garage. What made us start looking into insulation was a friend had mentioned it, and I thought, what a good idea, this is something we should follow up. Well, frankly, I hadn't heard of ThermaDoor before, and of course always you have to check the price and references from other people. The booking and completion process was very simple, very smooth. Quite happy. Well, the first thing I noticed when the insulation was installed, because the weather had been a little bit up and down, I noticed the lack of noise, or the lessening of the noise with moving the door. From the outside, I like the surround that's put into the little sort of nylon-y thing. Brushes, that's right, yeah, the brushes. It completes the look of the door, it finishes the door for me, yeah. Well, since having the insulation installed, the garage looks neater, looks complete, and I am noticing that there is a reduction in temperature. I don't know any figures, but I have noticed over the last few days, particularly when the weather's been warm. But it is neater, it makes me feel cleaner. The garage feels cleaner. The installation process was very smooth. The installer was very efficient and left the garage in a very clean situation afterwards. I was very happy with the installation process. I would definitely recommend ThermaDoor, there's no doubt about that. What I would tell them is that if they're looking for a good solution to their heat problem in their garage, that it is a better option than I have seen available. If I had to describe ThermaDoor in one sentence, I would say neat, efficient, and worth the money that I paid for it.